Hey guys, it's me Marley. Welcome back to my channel. So this is my face reveal. Yeah.
And
so,
this is me. I am Honey AJ.
I'm here with my best
Boo.
friend.
Sorry, I just really like doing that. Okay, and today we will be
making slime baking. Yeah.
So let's get into the video.
Okay, so we have bowls
For our cake batter, I'm doing an icy.
and then we have spoons, and then we
For-
also have
I'm gonna
afterwards.
pour milk in here. And some milk, because then we'll have to go to the store and buy some milk.
I don't know if you guys see it, but we can see it. We're making tiny cupcakes, we're not making super big ones.
I guess we'll just have to open another. Oh wait, let me go check the fridge if we have another one. Perfect. Okay, we have another bottle.
We have another bottle. So this is how much glue. Oh, let's get food dye.
Okay.
I'll go get the food dye.
Okay, well I pour in the milks.
Okay.
Okay, so if you guys are wondering, me and
We're gonna be
Kawhi
making
and
blueberry
corn-
muffins or
strawberry.
strawberry.
We're just making tiny ones, so
Yeah, we have.
you just gotta wait for it to spread out. There you go.
So we have strawberry
Food dye,
food dye,
and then we have
and we also. Okay.
and I'm
then
making
we
a
also
strawberry
have.
muffin.
I'm making a blueberry muffin.
Let me put the milk into.
And then she's going to.
I need to grab the. There you go. I'm gonna make a strawberry flavored one. So before this, we actually crushed up some fruit. So I'm gonna get my blueberries.
Extract and all that kind of jazz. So yeah.
So I'm gonna put the baking soda in, as you can see. Okay. You only need a pinch. Not that much. And you can add yours.
Okay. I need a pinch. That will be all, right?
Yeah, just a itty bitty pinch.
You guys see mine?
When I let some of the fruit actually harden, so it turned into a ball, so then you just want to plop your fruit in. And then I'm going to add my flavoring.
I'm not done adding. I need to.
So, oops, it might be a little too much pink dye. So she's getting her blueberry set up, while I just do my thing to do mine. Please do not mind her little brother. So the strawberry kind of lost its color while it was in the fridge. I don't know why. So let you guys know what we look like.
Yeah.
As you see in my. Also go subscribe to me, Honey AJ, and make sure you guys have to like our videos. Sorry, I don't have to, but I prefer you to. So
Why would you do it like that?
because it's crashing up the strawberries. Then you want to add some water. Let me go grab some water real quick.
So I'm still doing my blueberries. They're almost done. They just need to harden a little bit. And then I'm going to put in the blueberries after.
Some water. And the blueberries will lose their color. Ugh, sticky. I'm going to taste it. Well, that's kind of good. I would have preferred tasting the batter if I were you, because, I don't know.
Did you add in the egg?
Oh no, I forgot the egg. Let me go add it in right now.
So I'm just stirring up the glue right now, and also making the blueberries. So
Yeah, she's making the blueberries so they're nice and hardened. She's kind of rolling it out so they got a little squishy.
yeah.
So when she adds them in, and she crushes them. Oh, just like how they get. I'm gonna add the egg yolk. I let the egg yolk harden and it's probably gonna, since it's so yellow, that, here, let me put it.
And now I'm all done with my blueberries, so now I'm going to add in my flavoring.
I'm gonna add a little bit more flavoring. And this isn't the best baking I've ever done. Right? We've done better baking than this.
Yeah, we really have.
Ooh, actually I'm gonna call this, I don't know what to call it, my muffin. This looks like a peachy color, strawberry peach. I like that.
So
So
now
you added in her
add
flavor.
in my egg yolk. I'm getting the egg yolk out right now. But we don't need a lot, only a little bit of egg. There we go.
Mine's like a peach color. Might need to add some more flavoring. The flavoring isn't too strong, but you need to add a lot for it to become really ding ding. Ding ding? Yes, good. It's just like ding ding. And then we're gonna have to put it in the oven.
Yeah.
And we're gonna try to make this. Sorry.
It's okay.
We're gonna try to make this, our muffins, like a bullish kind of thing. And yeah. And I'm sorry it took a very long time.
So we are almost done, and okay, so I got the cupcake liner right here, and now I'm gonna start pretty much just like
Should make another two. Huh? Should make another one.
so I got the cupcake liner, and we got our slime out of the oven too. So now I'm gonna try to shape the cupcake liner
Like for every household,
the shape that I want. So I'll be right.
So we might do live stream later too.
Yeah. So be right back. Okay, so I got my cupcake liner right here, and then she is still working on her batter. So now I'm going to start making the cupcake. So
I think we put our batter in the oven for too long.
yeah. But you know what? We're just gonna have to go with it. And I don't want to taste it, but I think that I have to. So now I'm gonna put in the blueberries that we made.
This is literally one of the longest videos we ever made.
Yeah.
Besides live.
Yeah. So, I'm gonna move my batter out of the way and put my. So now I'm putting in the batter right here, and yeah. So I'll be right back, struggling to put in the batter. Okay, so I got it in right here. So now I'm going to start working on the frosting. Okay guys, so I have my frosting right here, and now all we have to do is start putting it on, and then I'll put a little cherry on top to make it cute. So yeah, I'm gonna start putting on the frosting, and yeah.
And now I'm just trying to flip and fix my batter.
Yeah, her batter, she put it in longer than mine, I guess.
We put ours really high.
Or maybe she just put in the clay, and that's what made it do that. I mean, I keep saying clay for some reason.
Because we put it with butter slime today.
Yeah. And so now I'm going to start adding on my frosting. And then, yeah, the frosting's not going to be so perfect, but it's going to be the best I can do. So I just got my frosting right here. And now it's time for the blueberry on top. Instead of cherry on top. Instead of strawberry on top, I mean not strawberry, blueberry on top, it's going to be blueberry on top. So yeah. So I'll be right with you guys. So I have made my, yeah, now time to squish it and ruin it. So
It reminds me of a bath bomb.
what?
It looks like a bath bomb. You roll it in a ball. Now look at it. Doesn't it?
Kinda.
But it won't like do that.
So
Look how good this looks. Oh my gosh.
So guys, even though our cupcakes were a fail, we still had a
slime.
Yeah, this was just slime baking. So we still had a great time doing this. And I hope you,
really fun.
yeah. So I hope you guys.
Kawaii Unicorn stabbed her toe.
And it hurt. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.
I'll do mine later on my live stream. So our live stream. So bye.
Bye.